Yes, welcome students. So today is the chapter political parties, which is very common nowadays, especially earlier there was the system. We were quite aloof from this politics and political parties. But nowadays, at least you are, when they are in the house or anywhere, you are listening about the party and politics. This, no one can say, no, I don't have any interest with this party, I don't know anything about this. So nowadays this is not. So today's chapter is the political parties. Okay. So what is the meaning of these political parties? What these political parties are doing? The political parties are taking the part there. It is in the politics of the country, and without this, nowadays it's very important to show this politics and political parties, because without this political party, just you cannot, where from your identity is coming, just you are going to be the prime minister, you are going to the chief minister, you are just going to be the representatives of the country. So how just you will come to know, from where just it will come? So this is the political parties, from where just we are taking out our best leader. We are taking out the best leader. So nowadays, if anyone will say, no, I don't have any interest with politics, I don't listen it, just I do not want to go through that. But anyway, just you will, when just you are going through, listening your news, listening anything there, in between you will be involved with this party and politics. So the meaning of this political party, we should see what are the things there. When just we are talking about this political parties, there is or are the leaders. There is or are the leaders. And you are aware about that also. He or she is the party chief, he is the prominent leader, he is a very famous leader of this party. And after some time, just you will see there is the split also. There is a split also. First, here in our country, when our country got the freedom, from that very time, just we came to know this system of these leaders and active members came and the followers. So earlier than that, just we were fighting against the Britishers. In our country, before 1947, there was the rule of the Britishers. So we were not thinking about these parties and politics. We were not aware much more about this party and politics. But nowadays, we are very much aware. We are very much affected with this affair, this party and politics. We know, we are listening this one everywhere. So 2-3 points are very important here in this political parties. Leaders. Who those are the leaders? How you will be the leader? How you became the leader? So there is the criteria. Certainly there are many people there are in the country, but among them only one is just coming as the Prime Minister of the country. There are many states, there are the Chief Ministers, one chief minister, maybe assistant, just vice or deputy chief ministers also. But so leader is the who is very prominent, who is very maybe honest we our sight, very much capable, because you are to handle the entire country. If you got the chance of the prime minister, then what's your responsibility? So how broad this is. So easily just you can see. So first important is with the leaders, and first leader is attracting towards him or her, and just you are selecting or electing him or her the leader. Next is the acting members. First is the leader. There are different parties in our country. I will talk this later on also. There are different parties there in the country. Several parties are there. Almost, this is 1200 parties. And day by day, it is increasing. But what is happening? The parties which are each not able to represent, later on abolishing this one also. But the name of that party has come there in the constitution, this with the selection commission. So almost in our country there are more than 1200 parties registered. Year on year, new parties are just developing, new party is or are getting their registration with the election commission. So this leader is very important. Who will take the responsibility? So leader is very important. And the second is the acting members. You will see acting members in your area, if you are living there in the villages, because we cannot forget the villages. We are the country, our country is the country of villages. More than 70% people we are living there in the villages. So if you are living this village, it means you will see the percentage of administration will be losing, percent of administration will not be there. Why? We 70% people are living in the villages. So the active members are there. Leaders is one. I am telling all the times to you, leader is or are, suppose state-wise one who is chief minister, leader in the state one, likewise. But here the active members also along with them. So all the parties are, suppose just to take consider the case of this prime minister. He or she is the prime minister for the whole country. So these active members from the whole country are with him or her. If he or she will not just keep the active members, then what will happen? That area will be lagging behind. Your numbers of votes will be very less from that area. Because when just you are doing a job, the politics of this whole country, you are supposed to take care of the entire area, whole country. So each and every part there are the leaders, and that leaders again is or are becoming the chief minister of that particular states. So these are the acting members who those are on front lines. First on front line who is there? Leaders. Second who those are? Acting members. These acting members on the second line. After some time they may get also to come to this place. Okay, and now the followers. Suppose our followers are not there. You are a very good leader, very honest, very intelligent, very learned, but no one is to cast the vote. So these followers or voters, if no one, voters will not be there, followers will not be there, then how your party will survive? So your party will not survive. Then what you do? What the political parties are doing? They are making the members. They are making the members. They are drive. They have the drive there in the area to make the members. One members, and when just you will take care of these members, then certainly at the time of election you will get the more percentage of votes, because that member is your voter, and who those voters are there, these followers will again just convince the others voters. So these all three have the same type of importance. So this is the meaning of these political parties. Now these functions, the ruling party, opposition party, what is the necessity of this one? So very important, two parties, ruling party, opposition party. Both are important. If just you are only ruling party, no opposition is there, then what will happen? You may be the dictator. You will say what I am telling is the correct, because you are more there, your majority more than 2/3 there in the house, no others are there. But some members also should be there. So there is or are two parties, ruling party, who those are on the chair, whose party's prime minister is there. This is called the who is ruling on the country. So prime minister will be from that party only. Prime minister will be only from that party, and that party is the ruling party. With the example of right now, just you can understand, BJP is the ruling party there in the country, and the MP from this BJP, Sri Narendra Modi, he is the Prime Minister right now. He is from the BJP. And second line mein, there is the opposition party, and the opposition party right now is who? Which? Congress. And how this opposition party? Because there are many more parties. They are representing there in this Lok Sabha. But first ruling party which has got more than 2/3 majority, that is the ruling party. Next is the opposition party. Others are also there. Who those will are getting some members sending there to the house. So if this will not be there, ruling party will not be there, opposition party will not be there, then what will happen? Why it is necessary? You will be you can say, you may be the dictator. You will make all the rules in your favor. If nobody is to say something, nobody will be against you there in the house, then what will happen? You will make all the rules according to your own choice. What will happen? Maybe some wrong thing also. You may take some decision because you are not hearing from your opposition. How this is becoming this one? So in a house you must have 2/3 majority. Okay, how much? 2/3 majority. If you don't have the 2/3 majority, just you cannot form the ministry. Who will have? Now the same case is coming again. Suppose no party has that 2/3 majority there in the house, then what will happen? What will happen? No one will be able to form the ministry. In that case, what will happen? You are not getting 2/3 majority. You are supposed to take the help from the other likely minded parties. Anyhow, you are supposed to bring the 2/3 majority. If you are not bringing this 2/3 majority there in the house, you cannot form the ministry. So, at that time, if you are taking the help from the likely minded parties to make your number 2/3, what you are doing? You are taking the help from the independent candidates. You are taking the help from the independent candidates of smaller parties. But all the time you will have to bring this one 2/3 majority, then you can form the ministry. Now there is a question. Who will be the Prime Minister? You have made the ministry by taking the help from 3, 4, 5 parties, 10, 11 parties. Who will be the Prime Minister? So at that right time, when the majority party will be there, this majority party will say you, the Prime Minister will be from the majority party, but you are supposed to give some representation to the party who are or is supporting you. So you will make the ministers from your party, from that party also, who is supporting you. So this type of things are there. So this is necessary. If we will not keep this party, then who will function all these? We cannot do, because we have elected our representative in the form of MPs. We have elected our representative in the form of MPs, and when we are electing any representative, we are giving all the powers to him or her. Now rule on us, make the rules. So all the times these MPs will be making the rules and laws. So this type of things are there. So this is necessary. This ruling party, opposition party is or necessary. If you will not make this one, ruling and opposition and various parties, sometimes you may be alone. Earlier, 30, 40 years earlier, there was only one Congress party, and for a long time the Congress party has ruled, but nowadays that is not. This is very tough situation. Big competition is there among the parties in the center. No one party is right now, although this BJP is ruling alone. So this type of this functions of ruling party and opposition party is or are there. Normally, how many parties we should have? How many parties we should have? If there is only one party, then what will be there? If it is only one who those are ruling totally there from the long time, only one party is ruling, then what will happen? Maybe the decision taken by that party dominating, what that party wants, only the decision will be taken in the favor of that. So this opposition is very essential. So this opposition, so how many parties we should have? Only one party, because why this party system has come, and I am telling you, more than 1200 parties, although all are not alive now, but it has been registered with the Election Commission, although all are not alive. So this one party, two party and multi-party system. This one party, if it is, there are many countries there in the world. China, take the example of China, there is only one party. Take the example of this two-party system, America and this Britain, there are system of two party, and this multi-party system, our country, year by year, we are increasing the number of parties here in country. We are increasing number of parties here. So we have the system of here in country multi-party system. But if any one party is bringing 2/3 majority, that party alone can bring the government. That system is also there. Now this national party and regional party. Which is the national party? National party, it means it is there. Your representation is much more. Your percentage is more than this. So this national party means what? It is at the level of the center. It is at the level of center. Your representation is taking place throughout the country. Your representation comes through the country. And this regional party, some percentage, 6% of votes are just you are getting likewise. So this regional party, so these two type of these parties are there also in the country. How can parties be reformed? Yes. Right now, or earlier also, there is the president, there is the secretary, general secretary of the party, and it is being changed. It is being reformed. So all the times, if just one will be the leader of the party also. So if it is there, then there will be some problem. There may be some problem. So it is very necessary. There should be changing. Reformation should be there, because no one can say what I am telling, what I am doing is 100% correct. So this reformation is always required. This will be changed. This challenge to the political party, many challenges are there to this political party. You are supposed to survive there in country. So you are supposed to, one basic thing, you are supposed to fulfill the requirement of the people of that area. Should try to do it maximum. Then you will be able to survive there in country. Later on, this will also discuss the challenges of this political parties. Okay.